Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It has been a hot minute since I last vlogged. Let's just not even mention it because of how long it's been. It's been like 2 months, so oops. So today I am in Sydney. I caught the train up this morning and I'm currently staying in Fraser Suites in Kent Street. If you don't know, Kent Street, the best place ever. When I was 18, I used to go clubbing on Kent Street, at Scary Canary, and would always stay on this street because Scary Canary is just the best place. If you live in Sydney and you've never been, you're cooked. Anyways, so yeah, I'm in Sydney because tomorrow I am shooting a campaign with Sephora. So that's going to be super exciting. I'm so excited for that. I'm really nervous though, but it's going to be so fun. It's a good experience. My New Year's resolution was to say yes to more things and not let my anxiety and my stress stop me from doing things. So hopefully this is the year where I do more things and just don't be a little pussy. So yeah, so like I said, I'm staying in Fraser Suites on Kent Street. They kindly hooked me up with a room. I've stayed here before and the hotel is so amazing. The location and everything, you have the city over there, you have Darling Harbour just there, so it's perfect. It's in the prime spot. So yeah, if you're ever staying in Sydney, a lot of people ask me where are good hotels to stay in Sydney. This hotel is definitely one of them because it's just so convenient. You just have the train station just 2-minute walk, so you're good. I'm gonna give you a bit of a room tour, so follow me. Let's go. Let's do this. So, as you walk in, this is the door. They have a nice mirror there, so peace to the Middle East. And then as you walk, let's turn this around. So as you walk, you have a kitchen here. And then when you walk in, look how cute that is. Honestly, they know me because I love marshmallows, especially white They know me, I love, oh God, I can't even speak, SOS. They know me, I love white marshmallows, so I've just been eating so many of those and that's a problem. I've got this ball that has pink fluff in it, how cute. And then a little flamingo and a little mini treats box. And then over here you have the lounge. Excuse my suitcase because I'll probably get ready around here tomorrow because the lighting is bomb. That is the view. So over there is Darling Harbour, and right there you have, I'll come over here. So there's a TV, a little desk if you want to, work. A chair. And then over here you actually have the city. So that's Queen Victoria Building, and there's Centrepoint Tower, and there's Slate Street, I don't know, Woolies. But yeah, so that's the city. And then you see a bit more of Darling Harbour over there. That's where I'll be again this week. And then over here you have the bed, which look how bougie it just looks. And then in here you have the bathroom and a nice big shower. Then a mirror, hello. And yeah, so that is what the room looks like at the moment. I'm just waiting for my friend Maddie because she's getting a bus or a train or something into the city to see me. And we're gonna go probably get some food, have a couple of drinks, and then tonight my cousin works in Sydney, so she's gonna meet me and she's gonna stay the night with me and we're gonna go somewhere for dinner. And then tomorrow is when we start shooting with Sephora. So yeah, oh my God, this light in here, what? Love it. Okay. Look who I'm with. Hey guys. You're so Me and Maddie are just the most socially awkward people in the world.
Literally, I can't do it.
This is my bestie, my
hey,
sister.
Sister girls.
Sister's by choice, not by blood. Okay, bye. Awkward. Waiting for an Uber. feeling right now?
A little bit tipsy. I've had one drink and I have to go to
work.
work.
In the club again.
I work at 5.
What?
And no one can do my shift, so going to work tipsy. We got
not?
some great content today, guys.
You'll get fired if that gets...
No, should be fine. They don't know where I work.
Yes, I do. You post it everywhere. I get worried when you post your work everywhere. My medicine should be saying where you work.
I don't. See, I'm all good.
Okay.
No, I only had one drink. Good song. So the other day I turned 19.
Okay.
No, okay.
Okay, tell them. Come on.
Anyways, all good. Follow Cass for more amazing content that I took.
Also follow Maddie.
At Maddie Chippendale on Instagram.
Guys, so it is now Friday and it is the day I am shooting with Sephora, so I'm so excited but I'm so nervous. This is just the makeup I did. So this is just like the first video that we're doing. The first one is like a get unready with me, so I'll have to go full glam, and then from that I don't think I'll be wearing any makeup or much makeup, I'm not really sure. But yeah, so I just have to still just curl my hair. And then I should be good to go. I just need to pack up a few things. And yeah, so I'll show you the view. Such a beautiful day in Sydney today. I think I've heard there's meant to be like heat waves this weekend or something, so that's good. So yeah. I haven't worn red lipstick in that long. I don't know how I feel about it. I used to love it, but now I'm not sure. Don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna go. I'll check in with you when I can and if I can. I'm not 100% what I can film today, but this is my hair and like I said, that's my makeup. So I just have to get dressed, then I'm heading down to the lobby to meet one of the girls from Sephora, and then we're going up to the room. So the shoot's happening at this hotel. I'm not sure if I told you guys that, but yeah, so I'm just meeting her in the lobby, then going back up to the room that we're shooting in, as well as checking out because I need to do that. So yeah, keep touching my hair because I need to like fix it. Alright. Well, that's a major difference. Wow. So I didn't vlog any of the shoot yesterday only because we were super busy like shooting all day, and then I pretty much came home and I fell asleep at like 11 o'clock, which is so early for me. And then this morning I just got up, went for a walk, and now I'm about to go get sushi. But I think I might end the vlog here. Yeah, we'll see. Bye.